Hey, I'm Erica Rasha. Hey, what's up? I'm Erica Rasha and welcome to my channel. And today we're going to be talking about different content you should post when you don't know exactly what to post. So let's get right on into it, but make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of these good social media tips. But all right, let's go right on into it. Have you ever been like, I haven't posted on Instagram in a while. And then you realize the reason why you haven't is because you haven't had anything planned or you don't know simply what to post. Or you're like, I'm gonna post and you forget to plan out your post or whatever. Okay, if you have a problem with planning and batching content, comment down below and let me know because I will make a video especially for you. But let's talk about some ideas that you can post when you just don't know what to post. So number one is to make a post about your client's pain points. So what is a problem that your clients typically have and how can you fix it? Or how can they fix it by utilizing you? So make a couple of posts explaining to your clients why they need you. So for instance, if you are a virtual assistant and you work with busy entrepreneurs, then maybe you should be making a post about how, hey, hire me because I can free up a lot of time in your schedule so you can have free time to do vacations or free time to do another task or whatever. But make a couple of posts that address those typical pain points that your clients tend to face. Number two, reintroduce yourself. So sometimes what happens is we tend to put out all this bomb content, right? We get a lot of new followers or even we get a couple new followers and we realize, hey, those new people don't know exactly who we are or exactly what we do. So reintroduce yourself. And sometimes even your old followers, they might be confused. And if you reintroduce yourself, then they have no reason for confusion. They know exactly who you are and what it is you do. Number three, and it's as simple as it seems, we tend to forget. Answer your most frequent questions. So whether that's what's your price or whether that's what's your best seller. That's another tip that you can do it. So number four, highlight your best seller, highlight your best product, your best service or whatever, and give an opportunity to give some shine because that could also bring in more clientele. Number five, talk about what makes you stand out amongst your competitors. So do a post on you versus them. My clients after working with me, and it's like a meme or something, and versus working with my competition or something like that. Make it fun, spice it up. And I'm not talking about downplaying nobody else's business because that's just maybe not ethical. But talk about it, hype yourself up and express what your clients get going to you rather than choosing your competition. Number six, I think, user generated content. Post content that your users are doing. So highlight clients that you're working with. So go and do like a client spotlight, look at what so-and-so is doing or whatever, or here's an insight of somebody that I'm working with their permission, of course. But also, if your people are giving you reviews, turn that review into a carousel or to a pretty graphic post, or ask your clients like, hey, could you do video testimonial of you using my service? And that could be a Reels for you, or that could be an Instagram TV for you. Try everything, but let your users create that content. And also get on your stories and ask your users, hey, what kind of content do y'all want to see? And they will literally tell you the ideas. And y'all know that when y'all use sticker features and stuff, Instagram tends to push your story out a little more. So if you're not doing that already, then you need to go on and start today, period. That you got homework. Period. Number seven, which I don't think people use this enough, which I think honestly you should be doing this at least once a month. Creating some type of question, some form of content or whatever, where people, if they see it, they want to interact with it. A strong call to action where people want to interact. But I'm not talking about no just basic like tell me your goals for 2021. I'm talking about something that's really good that'll let you know exactly who's following you. Like something that'll probe the question so that you can get an inner more detail of who exactly is following you and what they need from you. Because that right there is your key to success because now you know what you have to work with and you know who to more cater to. So that bounces kind of off the last topic, but we're taking it further than stories and we're putting this on the feed so we can gain that community and have our people interact. Another thing that can happen is if one of your customers is reading through the comment and they resonate with somebody else said, one that influences them to want to comment on as well well and for you to get to know them. It gives you an opportunity to reply back, to get a personal connection with that person, and it builds that trust and that community factor. And that's what everyone should be striving for when they are trying to monetize their online platform. If you would like to have some more specific prompts and maybe some ideas like hey, post about X, Y, and Z, let me know in the comments below if that's something that y'all are interested in. But these are just some ideas to get your mind wondering and start to thinking about like, maybe I should add this to my post for the month or whatever. But thank you so much for clicking on this video and checking it out. If you made it to the end, I am forever thankful for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And if you want more information from me, then follow me over on Instagram at Erica Rasha. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. But until then, you might as well check out these videos. YouTube thinks that they will be the best for you, and I do too. So go on and check them out. You on YouTube anyway, so don't miss it. But I'll see you in the next one. Bye.